Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can buy big finance on Trust Wallet via PancakeSwap. It's really fast and easy, and first what you need to do here, if you don't have, is to download Trust Wallet on your iOS or Android device. You can find it completely for free on Google Play Store or App Store, and then you need to just set up a 12-word recovery phrase and you're good to go. And then the second step that you need to do here, you need to have a Binance coin on Trust Wallet. So you can buy from Trust Wallet itself by pressing buy, selecting BNB, but the fees are bigger here, so I highly advise you to buy Binance coin on Binance Exchange. I will leave the link in the description below, so you can register and get 5% more crypto on your deposit, and as well the fees are lowest there. So if you will buy on another exchange, then you need to complete additional steps. So you need to transfer your Binance coin to Trust Wallet. So you need to press receive, select BNB, copy this wallet address, and transfer. Basically paste it whatever you have a Binance coin, and transfer Binance coin to Trust Wallet, right? And once you have your Binance coin, then go on Binance coin again, press more, press swap to smart chain, and swap your Binance coin to Binance smart chain. And once you do that, then as you can see here on the bottom, there is browser option or the apps if you're using Android. And if you're using Trust Wallet with a iPhone for the first time, probably you will not see this option. So you need to go on Safari, put this link, Trust browser enable, press go, and go back on Trust Wallet, and the browser option should appear. Then go on PancakeSwap. Make sure you are connected to the wallet on the top right corner, Trust Wallet. Make sure you are on exchange, and then we need to select currency. So go on CoinMarketCap, look for contract, and copy the contract here, right? And go back on Trust Wallet and paste it. You can see here, and now you can buy big finance with your Binance Smart Chain token, right? So guys, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.